Okay, now we're going to do some movement observations. So Roz, what I'll get you to do is I just want to get you to do a sagittal step. So start with your left foot coming forward and just come through in a slight lunge. And if you just keep doing that a few times, and I'm just going to observe. So you can see that there's a slight medial deviation of the knee. It's just coming inwards ever so slightly. Her stance foot, her toe is straight ahead, so that's great. And her foot isn't leaning towards either side when she's landing forward, so there's no pronation there. So I'll get you to swap legs and do it with the other one. So the knee here, there's no deviation, it's not turning inwards or outwards. Stance foot toe is out, so again, good. And there's no leaning on the front foot, so it's not pronated on either side. Now, if you keep moving in that plane, and I'm just going to inspect from the side. And the other leg again for me. So on both feet, the rear foot is lifting off the ground, and the tibia control on both sides is really good, and there's no excessive rotation of the trunk. All right, thanks Roz. Now I'm going to get you to do a lateral step. So what I want you to do here is just same thing but moving to the side. So her knee is stacking over her foot, hips in line, and the head's not quite stacking over in line with the rest. I'll get you to do it on the other side. Yep, so again, she looks the same on this side. So her head, hip, knee are all stacking over. Her head's slightly in the middle, but not too bad. All right, so now I'm gonna do a thoracic spine, transverse step and reach down. So what I'll get you to do is you're just gonna step in and reach down. So the lateral step, but then you're reaching your arm across and behind your leg. So I'll get you to start on the left side. All right, so there's not a lot of excessive trunk rotation, so she's staying pretty much in the lateral plane. Her head's not following her hand naturally. Stance leg remains straight, and the lateral flexion through the spine looks okay. I'll get you to do the other side for me. So it's a nice smooth movement through the scapula. The flexion in the spine is good. There's not too much excessive rotation in the trunk. Her head does follow her hand on this side, but I think that's from a bit of prompting. And the stance leg is straight.